All right, guys, so we have a 2019 BMW X3, and it has the start-stop feature, to where when you pull up to a stop, to like a stop sign or a stoplight, the engine shuts off, and then whenever you let off the brake pedal, it'll start back up. And it doesn't necessarily bother me. A lot of people that annoys, and it does me too a little bit, but I could live with it, other than the fact that I was reading some documentation a couple days ago, and BMW had to create some new bearings. Actually, it's Federal Mogul that created the bearings for these auto stop start vehicles, at least the BMWs, because BMW admits that whenever the engine shuts off, there's no way to prevent metal-to-metal contact on the bearing journals because you lose your oil pressure. And it makes sense. I've never really thought about that. But every time the engine shuts off, the crank and the rods come to rest, and it's obviously going to sit down. The weight is going to sit down on the bearing journals. Then whenever it starts up for that, 100 millisecond that it takes for the oil to start building up, and then you got that thin layer of oil because you got oil pressure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Launch CRP919XBT, and I'm going to see if we can code the auto start stop to remain off. So let's go ahead and ID the vehicle and see if this tool will do that. And, I guess while we're sitting here, letting it do its thing, let me show you the way this works right now. So let me start the engine up. Okay, engine started. If I turn it's got a button right here where we can turn the auto stop start off, and it works fine. The problem is you got to remember to do that each and every time, because whenever you do shut the engine off and then you start it back up, it stays enabled to where now it's going to activate the auto start stop. I want this to stay off all the time. So that's what we're going to attempt to do. So let's get into this, and we'll go into coding. And I'm sure that's going to be under the engine module. DME, I think, is what they call it. Okay, so we're going to go straight into coding/program. We're going to personalization. Next. Right here, DME, Digital Engine Electronics. And function selection, we'll hit yes. And the only option it has is auto start stop memorized last state. So if I understand that correctly, wherever it's at when you shut the vehicle off is where it comes back to. So if we have it deactivated when we shut the vehicle off, then it should stay in that same state. So I'm going to change this to 01. It was set to 00. We're going to hit OK, let it do its thing, and see if we did any good. And it's a good idea. I don't know if you saw the other option there of backing up the configuration data. That's a good idea to do. I did not do that, but I would recommend you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button. Well, I guess technically I should start the vehicle first. So right now you can see that the light is on. So that means that it is not going to stop start. The engine's going to stay running. Now if I shut the vehicle off, I can see that the light is staying on. Start the vehicle back up, the light's still on. So as long as you can live with the light being on, and I can, the start-stop's not going to work. Now, the nice thing about doing it this way is if you did want to use the start-stop, then you can go ahead and enable it, and then it's going to be active again. But I'm going to keep it just like that. That way, the engine, we have the choice of either leaving it disabled continuously or enabling it. But anyway, yeah, this is the Launch 919 CRP919XBT. And if you haven't seen my other videos, like if you go into all these different modules have at least some amount of coding. Like if we go into the BDC function, hit yes. I'll just real quickly, I'll show you what options that one particular module has. And each module has its own selection of things that you can code. And change, parameters. But you can see you've got quite a bit of different things here using this scan tool that you can code, differently than, to your preference, basically. Anyway, we're done. You guys take care. We'll see you.